Hello everyone. So today I'm going to cover this part when I aim with the gun and rotate the aiming direction like this, making this character turn to that direction to match his body's rotation like this. When I turn this way, this character rotates to that side like this, and when I turn this way, it rotates left like this. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. At the moment, when I try to aim, and if I rotate the camera like this, you can see from the hips of the character, it bends in an unrealistic way in both cases while crouching and while standing. But when I'm moving, it's not a problem because when I move, the character automatically rotates to the movement direction. Okay, so let's see how to fix that issue. So for that, I'm gonna use couple of animations. Check this one. Hmm. Now let's use this rifle turn animations. I'm going to use this one, turn left 45 degrees. I download it without skin. And this one, turn right 45 degrees. And this one, turn right. This is where I'm going to use it while I'm crouching. And this one, turn left while crouching. I have placed those animations in this folder. So using that blender plugin, I'll convert those animations to add a root board so I can use them with Unreal Root Motion. Right, conversion complete. So let's open it. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These are the animations I need. Okay, so where should I import them? Right. So this turn right 45, turn left 45. I'll import them here. Actually, I'll import all four of them. Soldier, I don't need the mesh, only the animation. And wait, do I need this 90? I don't think so. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So I'll put these two here under crouched. Let's see if they are working all right. Right. This seems all right. Okay. Now let's open our character. Right, now in our animation blueprint, where do you calculate that is it? Right here, aim and rotation. Okay, so here I'll print the difference between the control rotation and the actor rotation. so that I can get a proper idea what's going on. Let's do it like this. Right. It uh, ranges in between, let's see, in this case it's 60 and 180 and 90. All right. Okay, so this looks odd when the difference is larger than well, actually those values are kind of hard to understand, therefore not just this one, I'll also print the other two values as well using an append. First the control rotation, and then I'll add a minus number here, then the actual rotation of the character, and then equals, then this one, the difference. Now let's see. Okay, so in this case it's 100 and 100. Okay, right, there is a problem because as you can see here, the character's rotation ranges. The first one is character's control rotation. Okay, so control rotation goes from 0 to 180, yeah, 0 to 360, as you can see, 0 to 360. Let's see if that's the same. Yeah, the control rotation goes from 0 to 360, but the character's rotation goes from, wait, I'm not sure what that number is. Yeah, 0, let's see, now it's 8. Okay, so I guess, yeah, this is like 0 and then 140, and yeah, suddenly it goes to minus. See, right, so it varies from 0 to 180 and then 0 to minus 180. So this is minus 100 and minus 90 range, this is plus 90 range, and this is, right, I know what's going on. Let me draw a simple image. Right, so the control rotation goes from, oh, not a line, I need the pen. It goes like this, from 0 to 360, as I observed. but this one goes like this. Here 0 to 180 and here 0 to minus 180. So actually get the difference, I'm gonna have to do something like this. I have to convert this rotation also to the same range. So to do that, we have to do a small calculation here. Get the location. If this one is smaller than 0, yeah, I have to select this one like this. Let's select using this. If this value is smaller than 0, if this is sorry, let's do the other way, that is easier to understand. So if this value is larger than 0, no issue, I can just directly select this one. If it is false, that means I have to select this one plus 360 and use it. Alright, now I'll print only this one. Hope it will make sense now. Right, when I rotate this way, it goes from 0 to minus 90, minus 180. And when I rotate this way, oh, it still doesn't make sense. Let's do it like, instead of printing only that, let's print, let's use this one here for the value C. Now let's see. Okay, so now, yeah, this ranges from 0 to 360, I mean the control rotation, and the actor rotation grows from also in the same way. Oh, right, now it's 12, and when I move this way it's 70, 100 and 180, closer to 250. Right, I think it's correct now. Right, so now when I move this way, when I rotate this way, you can see the difference is like this. It goes from 0 to 90, and when I turn this way, 0 to minus 90. And if I keep moving to the same direction, as the difference get reduced because my character turns to the movement direction, the difference becomes 0, like this. Okay, now I have a way to do the calculation. So if the difference is larger than, let's say, minus 80, I'll rotate the character to right. If the difference is not larger than, smaller than minus 80. If the difference is larger than minus, sorry, not minus, larger than plus 60, I'll rotate the character to left. Let's see if that works. Let's add a sequence here. And let's get this value. Let's take the absolute value, and here I'll add a branch. If the absolute value is larger than mm, let's say 70. We can change it later. I'll do once node and then play animation montage. Sorry, play montage. Skeletal mesh component, I'll get this and mesh. Get mesh. Wait, why can't I do that? Okay, so I can't get the mesh component. That's because this BP character is in the type of pawn. Let's see. Okay, I think I can. Let's do it like this. Cast to character. This happens only once, so I don't think this would be harmful. This would be harmful. So this one I'll convert to character. Okay, now under aiming. Now I should be able to get mesh. Right, and let's play it. So the montage to play, I have to select it based on, let's do a select. If this value is larger than 0, if this is plus, I will select wait, I don't remember which one I should select. Let's see. Yeah, if this is plus, I should turn the character to right. If this is minus, I should turn the character to left. Alright, this is turning to right. Okay, alright, let's select the animations, turn right. Wait, why nothing is available here? Well, I'm not sure why can't I select anything here. Do I need to compile? Okay, can I drag and drop? Oh, right, this is just an animation. But still, okay, I can. Alright, let's drag and drop this. If it is true, I should turn this right. If it is false, I should turn it left. And when it is completed, I need to reset. Well, completed or interrupted. Shall we see what happens? Nothing. Why is that? Actually, the problem is this is the first time I am trying to play a montage, and I haven't set up animation montages anywhere yet. So let's do that. Maybe I should do it here. Okay. Right. Now as you can see, this character is using the turn animation, but it is not rotating. Yeah, that's because I haven't enabled root motion for these animations. I need to enable them in order to actually turn them. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Right. Character turns to that way. And it seems this is a little bit, this turn left is alright. Turn right is a little too late. Okay, so maybe, alright, I know what's the problem. The problem is this. We have an offset of 30 degrees here. Okay, so I think I should use let's try 40 instead of 70. Yeah, that's better. Okay, and we have still have a issue here. So let's say if I quickly turn like this character turns this way, and that's a problem. But this episode has already taken more than 20 minutes, so I'll fix that issue in the next episode. For now, I'll stop it at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.